You saw there that I took the fork pieces out of the solvent, and I'm going to be getting ready to clean those. And then I also need to put the first application of the Meguiar's treatment on the frame, which is the compound. That is what's happening on this episode of Featherstone Bicycles. Taking the ball bearings out of the cages so I can get inside and get any of the old grease out that didn't come out while it was soaking in the solvent. And then I'm going to clean up just with a paper towel or whatnot and Q-tips the little bit of grease that's remaining on the other parts, and then hit them up on the wire wheel. gauges. Hopefully without losing any of them. I do have a lot of extras, so no worries there. Our first part of the paint restoration process is to use Meguiar's Ultimate Compound. Put that on, rub it on, take it off right away. My experience with this product on the bicycles, the vintage bicycles, the Schwinn's and the Raleighs, has been that it really brings out the original color, luster, whatever you want to call it, of the paint. Really makes it shine. We've got a lot of scratches on this bike, so that are all the way down to the primer. So what I'm probably going to do, what I definitely will do, is after I get the compound on, after I get it off, I have some clear coat, and I'm going to clear coat these spots where it's down to the primer or even beyond the primer before I put the wax on. And I normally get asked if the compound ever messes up the decals, like the Schwinn Continental Hair, and the answer is no. I've never had it be a problem with that. We've got time for one more item. So let's see what we can do with this seat. Just putting some simple green all-purpose on there. This was in the basement of the bicycle shop, and I can tell you for sure that it's very dirty down there. There's a lot of grime on here. Next episode, we're going to put the wax on the frame and the fork and start in on a few other miscellaneous projects, maybe the brakes. Thanks for sticking with me today. Don't forget, you yourself can make a difference in your community. So check out the link to an Army of Normal Folks podcast in the description. It's a great podcast. I think you'll enjoy it. And I hope to see you next time on Featherstone Bicycles.